All because of one color. Now you wanna spend all that. I only do big baller. Only do big baller. You're done. I'm playing like you're done.
Hey guys, quarantine is like almost over. Things are starting to open back up, so this video is going to be my post-quarantine get ready with me. All right, it's my friend's birthday today, and you know, she's doing like a little get together or whatever, and I'm gonna be there. And I'm like, you know what, in my other hair video you guys seem to love my makeup, so I decided why not recreate that whole look again today, since that's kind of also my go-to everyday makeup look now. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below, turn on your post notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get it. I can't stress how important it is to moisturize. I'm going to be trying the new Charlotte's Magic Cream. Charlotte, not Charlotte. Charlotte. Why can't I pronounce the word? I'm going to be trying the new Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now this is supposed to be lightweight. Just that much. I don't know why my skin has been so dry lately. I don't know if it's because I'm having my bath way too many times a day. But yeah. Oh, I love moisturizing upwards, by the way. It's supposed to make you look younger, but yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Now that we have some hydration and moisturization going on, we're gonna move on to the brows because that's what I like to do first, okay? Okay, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil.
Guys, I love this pencil. It's so skinny.
So it makes your lines look very, very precise and natural. Baby, just lower your tone. Baby, don't trip. You know what's so sad? Pop Smoke dying. Not that his songs are actually like popping. You know what I mean? And it's so sad how people always have to die first before the whole world like appreciates them and stuff like that. Do you guys see how pigmented this brow pencil is? This is literally like one of my favorite drugstore brow pencils. All right, good. Let's go ahead and blend this shit out. We're gonna start combing the top part upwards first to blend in the product. We're going to go ahead and clean up our brows, and from my God, ooh, that was hard to open. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up our brows, and I'm using the Too Faced Peach Concealer. Let's use a little bit of this. It feels really, really thick though. It doesn't feel like a brow concealer. Okay, I need something like more runny to blend it in with because that's some thick ass concealer. Baby. Okay guys, I need to stop singing that song. You know when you can't get a song out of your head? That's what's happening to me right now. We're going to go ahead and just bring this concealer down all the way to our... Guys, I forgot to prime. You know what? That's okay. That's okay. I'm going to apply my concealer first. I'm going to prime the rest of my face because priming is important. To prime, I'm going to be using the Bite Changemaker Face Primer. That is cold. Lately, I've been finding myself using, guess what? Edge control for my brows. So I'm gonna take my Shine and Jam Edge Control and I'm going to come to the top part of my brows and just start brushing it upwards. Yeah, do you guys see that? I'm going to be using my Bite Changemaker foundation in the shade D150. I'm gonna just apply this with my blending brush. Guys, I'm running so late. I don't know why I always run late for all these kind of events, and I always start stuff on time. But to conceal my eyes, well, and my face to highlight, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Concealer. And this is in the shade Flax.
Because of one color. Now you wanna spend all that. I only do big baller. because of one color. Now you wanna spend all that. I only do big baller. Only do big baller. I'm playing like you.
If you guys are interested, my wig is from UNice Hair. I'm wearing their blonde highlight ombre wig, and all the links you need to know is going to be listed right down below in the description bar. If you're interested in how I installed my wig, I'm also going to leave it in the cards right here and right down below as well, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Now we're going to move on to like a very important part, which is our eyeliner. For that my look, you guys saw I had like cat eye, and that is really hard to do, and we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and highlight inside our tear ducts. Then I'm going to be using my Sephora eyeliner. This is actually my first time trying this Sephora eyeliner. I decided to get it because of Vanessa Giamma on Instagram. Like, she uploads really cool makeup tutorials, and her eyeliner is always so dark and so intense, and she recommended this eyeliner to everybody, so I had to go get mine. To even make my eyeliner more intense and darker, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Gel Eyeliner. And I'm using this flat angled brush. We're just going to go over where we did our liquid eyeliner. We're going to leave that like that, and I'm going to do the second eye, and I will be right back there. You guys know that I don't really like a liquid concealer on my face because it just makes everything too much. Okay, so I really like going in very lightly with a light bronzer to, you know, warm up my face and add some color. Now let's go ahead and bronze, and this is what I'm going to be using, my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and this is in the shade number 3. I'm going to lightly apply some bronzer, and you guys can see I'm applying it upwards like so. Making sure to really press that into my cheekbones. We're not gonna forget our forehead, okay? We're not gonna forget that today. We're gonna go in. I know right now my face is looking crazy with all the powder I'm using, but it's all gonna come together, I promise. So you're just gonna have to trust me. We're gonna contour our nose, but I like contouring from my eyebrows, like underneath my eyebrows, like so, from here. And I follow the natural shape. Very light something, not too deep. Then we're going to go in with the same bronzer and apply that lightly in our what? In our crease, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's split right there.
But yeah, just lightly. Like so, very lightly, nothing too crazy. Yeah, just for the blush, we are going to be using the Fenty Beauty cream blush, and I'm using the shade Fuego Flush. It's like a nice orangey tangy shade. I'm going to go with my blush brush. This has a lot of residue from my main blush color, so it's gonna mix in nicely, hopefully. It's there. I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into my contour. You guys can see I'm going really heavy-handed with my blush. That's because I just love how rosy it makes my face look. Hey, go be careful, now express it. Go.
Hey, go be careful, now express it. Go. Moto go jam me. It don't happen, I don't tell her.
Alright, blush has been applied. Okay. Because I'm having way too much fun with this. I'm having way too much fun. You guys need to tell me to calm down. Okay, y'all, I'm going to apply my lashes. See, do you know what I just realized? Lots of these lash companies, they're doing all this like extravagant lash styles, and my eyelids are too small for all that stress, okay? So, what that means is I'm going to apply all these lashes that come with my wigs. And to be honest, they're quite good. I'm pleasantly surprised. we're going to get rid of all this powderiness, this powdery effect, and I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I don't have forever to wait for this to dry, so I'm just going to dry my face. Still on our eyes, we're going to go ahead and line waterline with some Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Guys, I also want to let you guys know that you have to ensure you connect your tear duct eyeliner to your lower waterline liner. So we're going to smoke out our bottom waterline just a little bit, and I'm going to go in with my Auntie Jackie / Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette and go in with these 2 shades right here. All right, let's go. So I would be highlighting today with my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. Just tiny like so. We don't have to do too much. So we're going to take our MAC dazzleglass. I'm going to go in with some clear lip gloss. I was going to use my Fenty, but I can't find it. So for my hair, I'm going to apply a little bit of hair oil. It's almost done. This stuff is so expensive in the beauty supply store. It's like almost $30 for this small thing. But this stuff adds some shine to your hair. It gets rid of frizz. It just makes your hair look really, really rich. We are going to just brush this out. Alright.
All because of one caller. Now he wanna spend dollar. I only do big baller. I only do big baller. All because of one caller. Now he wanna spend dollar. I only do big baller. Only do big baller. You done know. I'm playing like you done know. Told you already, you done know. So acting like you done know. Done know. Calling me, said he like my waistline and he wanted me. Got me happy, get mine, happy chase money. Get the dollars all day, don't work for free. No, we don't work for free. Money stay close like ABC. Them money stay far from we. Cause them broke boys give me allergies. So I kill him with the killer with the vibes. He wanna spend all night. Kill him with the killer with the vibes. He wanna feel alright. Kill him with the killer with the vibes. He wanna spend all night. Killing with the vibes. He wanna feel alright. You done know. I'm playing like you done know. Told you already, you done know. So acting like you done know. Done know. I'm about my money. Don't tell me you want me. Bad vibes stay far from me. You say I'm sweet like Tropicana. You wanna take me to Benihana. Wanna spend like $1 million. Louis V, Fendi, Prada. He don't have to say what's on his mind.
Okay guys, so pretty much this is the end of my look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions right down below, but make sure you check my description bar first, because typically I put in a lot of information that you guys might find useful. Okay, and like I said before, my hair is from UNice Hair. I already have the install video live on my channel already. Okay, I'm also going to leave the video right here in my info cards as well. I really love this wig, guys. Like, ooh, and the color is just so perfect for the summertime. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Until next time, my loves, peace and love.